Hi, good morning. It's Friday morning, a non-farm payroll day, as I think it's August 4th. And traveling around, I tend to get my dates gooned up. Taking a look at the 10-year Treasury note this morning, and I thought I would see if we could pick off some areas where we might see some support kick in. It's been trending down for a little while after a multi-decade move up. A lot of negativity in terms of the downgrade in the bond ratings for the U.S. government, and just the staggering amount of debt that they're going to have to start issuing, and the staggering amount of interest that they're going to start paying on that debt. So let's take a look at what the Drummond Geometry says, and see if we can get ahead of the data release and anticipate where the market's headed. I'm starting over here on the right with the monthly chart, and this is the market coming down after the market top and moving down for quite some time and entering into monthly congestion, which or I guess you can make the case that this is quarterly congestion, because there's the quarterly envelope bottom, envelope top that are containing price action, and we're once again down here around the quarterly envelope bottom. In the middle, this is the quarterly chart, seeing the PL dots coming down strongly, opening up, and now they're swinging and starting to move sideways. So this is the indication that the trend is slowing. It does not mean it is over. It doesn't mean it's not going to resume downward pressure, but for the time being, it's starting to show that there's some weakness in the downward trend. And again, looking at the quarterly bars, you can see them moving mostly sideways for about a year and a half, 2 years. And then over here on the right, or I'm sorry, on the left, this is the yearly chart, and this is where it gets interesting. That is the envelope bottom for the yearly, envelope top, yearly PL dot, and this red, this is the 5-year envelope. So you can see that we're pushing down into a 5-year PL dot refresh, and that is right here at the outer edge, what we call the zone 1, or moving into the outer darkness below zone 1 on the yearly chart. So looking for this market probably to head lower over the coming months or maybe year. But for right now, the focus is on this monthly chart, and to see if this monthly move down is starting to slow down. Last month, the quarterly envelope bottom held, and so far it's breaking down, but right now we're finding some support at the monthly 1-1 low. Now this chart on the left is the weekly, and drawn in a 5-2 up. We're down in the area of a 5-2 up on the weekly chart. The daily chart, same thing here in the middle, getting in the area of a 5-2 up, and we also have this 1-1 low on the weekly chart that corresponds with the 1-1 low on the 1-1 low on the daily chart corresponds with the 1-1 low on the monthly chart. So there are a couple areas of support starting to kick in along with these 5-2s. There's not much to see here on the hourly chart. Would be this purple, that's the 300 minute envelope, and it's flirting with the bottom of that, but the market hasn't opened, and we're going to see some shakeout from when they release the numbers from non-farm payroll. So I guess what I'm anticipating is this area down here where we're at right now on the weekly, on the daily, and also on the monthly 5-1 low, that may kick in and start to arrest or suspend this move down and start to push this hourly chart up. So we'll see what happens. We don't have any guarantees, but we've got some areas on our charts here to pay attention to. And as always, the hourly chart, the lower time period, is going to lead the way. So it's going to lead the way, and then we're going to see these hourly bars start to get up above the hourly PL dot, start to go into an hourly C wave up, and then we're going to watch and see how it negotiates. This is the daily envelope bottom and the 300-minute envelope top. And we're going to see how it negotiates these areas. So that's something to pay attention to. And if you're a nimble trader and you're looking maybe at a 15-minute and a 60-minute, and this does start to show that support down in here, then you'll know what action to take, and you'll know why you're taking it, because you're looking at stuff that's on the chart that nobody else is seeing right now. So that's it for this morning. Good trading, good luck with the volatility, and we'll see you again next time.